Guys, welcome to purewax car care products. Just a reminder, if you've got purewax waterless wash detailer, keep it inside your glove box of your car. So if you've ever got these things that happen on the surface of your car, you want to get them off as fast as you can. Not sure if you're aware, but it's very acidic and will actually eat away at your paint if you just leave it on there. So all you'll do, really simple, give it a quick spray, let it sit there for a while so it actually softens the bird droppings. If you want to, give it another spray. And when you're confident that it's actually soaked enough, then give it a quick wipe. Yuck. Again, because it's pH neutral, our waterless wash detailer, it's actually going to reduce the acidic effect of the bird dropping. Once you've done that, again, if your car's as dirty as this is, you can then go and continue with the whole clean. That's just our little tip and trick for you today for removing those bird droppings as quickly as you can before they burn into your paint. Thanks for watching.